Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing source and target formats and why that matters. Mismatched schemas break transforms. Once installed, open Data Transfer Blender and load a small sample dataset to test mappings. Map primary keys first, then pick the fields you need. This avoids clutter. Make sure to enable any required plugins for connectors. Run an initial dry run so you can see parse errors immediately and fix schema differences before scaling to full datasets. Now you focus on mapping and transformations. Drag source fields to targets, then apply typecasts where needed so numbers remain numeric. Once done, add transformation rules, trim whitespace, normalize case, and convert date formats to ISO for consistency. For large tables, split into 1, 0, 0, 0 to 10, 0, 0, 0 row batches to avoid memory spikes. Make sure to enable parallel workers if available for speed, and run a validation check to catch data loss or unexpected nulls before committing the full transfer. Execute the transfer in monitored mode so you can watch throughput and capture errors as they happen. After the run, validate by sampling records in the target and comparing row counts and checksums to ensure integrity. If discrepancies appear, pause further transfers and restore from your backup, then inspect detailed logs to find transformation or connector failures. One troubleshooting tip: if transfers stall, reduce batch size and check network timeouts. This resolves most intermittent failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.